Artificial Intelligence, Principles and Applications Lecture Number 11, Design Models. Nature has mystified man since immemorial time. Nature gives solutions to all problems but needs selected learning. This chapter discusses the design models in the nature that helps algorithms design in artificial intelligence. What is the top innovation? The Nobel Prize in Physics 1956 was awarded jointly to William Bradford Shockley, John Bardeen and Walter Hauser Brattain for their researches on semiconductors and their discovery of the transistor effect. One that changing your present life. The evolution of life and Apple computer is shown. A technology innovation. For example, past car, present car and future car. A technology innovation. For example, past train, present train and expected future train. A technology innovation. For example, an old computer, present desktop and future computers. The use of technology is varying. For example, we have the old typewriter followed by electronic typewriter and present DTP techniques. The growth is depending on timelines. For example, from the Percolin to supercomputer stepped under many innovative changes. How we arrived into these technologies. We have some real-time example that will help you the formation of intelligence from nature design models. For example, handwritten characters. It is very hard to say what makes a two. For example, lippy identification from old texture is challenging. Which year is this lippy? Face identification problem has already solved. But is it completely perfect? How many faces in this figure we can identify? This much figure can we identify? How will Google Maps identify locations? When an aerial view points, is it easy to get destination? When we reached a junction by a car, is routing using the signboard easy at traffic time? Can we solve these problems? Do you think nature plays any role? Nature has mystified man since immemorial time. Nature gives solutions to all problems but needs selected learning. Nature-inspired design models are commonly adapted by human for engineering designs. This is intelligent approach in design science, models and their mathematics. Figure shows some nature-inspired design models applicable to engineering and technology design. The following sections give some workers from nature. C. Bees and its colony. Another one, ant and its colony. Ant foraging is a collective process composed of the activities of individuals as well as behaviorally integrated groups. C. Birds and its flocking. General idea of swarm intelligence is obtained from nature designs. For this, nature provides highly evolved mechanisms. Computer science draws inspiration from the biological examples. Swarm intelligence is being smart as a collective behavior. Today's problems are getting increasingly complex while the resources to solve them are limited. You are expected to find the solutions to the problems. Without these solutions, progress will stop. No progress. You can't let that happen. Let's use swarm intelligence. But we have many problems that is using high level of mathematics or statistics. As you know, centralized methods offer limited solutions. For a promised results, swarm intelligence shows promises. The solution is focused by optimizing the paths or routes. Ant colony optimization or ACO draws its inspiration from ant foraging with the best known example for the optimization problem. For example, the path identification from a source to destination with multiple parameters is shown here. This is a popular way of handling multi-objective optimization is the use of evolutionary technique. Bee colony optimization or BCO alternatively draws its inspiration from bee foraging/nest selection for the optimization problem. For example, the multiple path from source to destination with two optimization parameters such as cost and time. Then BCO is suitable for a solution. How does this solve problems? Is all nature-inspired techniques give solutions? Localization can be solved as a combined effort. That is, make a solution to the local problem then extend to global problems. For example, in a static routing, multiple sources and multiple destinations are scattered. Here green points are sources and yellow points are destinations. How will we get optimum solutions? Mobile ad hoc routing is an example. The circles give the localized solutions. In the mobile ad hoc routing, the paths are identified locally. Check these paths are optimal one. Here red lines are paths. We can see the final optimum solution to the mobile ad hoc routing. An important one is, stigmergic landmark routing improves the performance even further. In the previous example, we can store the previous solutions that will help to continue to achieve a good solution. Wow! Efficient, scalable and is adaptive. Nature provides some of the efficient ways to solve many practical optimization problems. Nature-inspired algorithms are imitating processes inspired from nature. The nature-inspired models can be classified as bio-inspired models, swarm-based models, and evolutionary-based models. While designing the nature-inspired algorithms, the following is required to note. First, identification of analogies between the nature and mathematical problem. The next step is understanding the computer modeling of realistic behavior. Finally, engineering the model in a simplified manner in tune with the application. Figure gives a brief idea of how to make a nature-inspired model. One of the such technique is in figure that gives the generation by evolutionary algorithm. The offspring is evolved by variation operations such as mutation or recombination. The size of population is fixed at most of the time. Multiple copies of a given parent may involve in the selection process. A best one carried out in the next generation. During the iteration, the values become better. Swarm intelligence is artificial intelligence based on the collective behavior of decentralized, self-organized systems. The fundamental concept is obtained from self-organization and the division of labors. Basic principle of swarm intelligence spread over proximity principle, quality principle, principle of diverse response, principle of stability and principle of adaptability. Properties of swarm intelligent systems spread over scalable, parallel, fault tolerance, adaptability, and decentralized. Properties of ants-derived ant algorithms. Ants are central place foragers and use multiple information sources to navigate between the nest and feeding sites. Individual ants rapidly learn a route, and often prioritize memory over pheromone trails when tested on a simple trail with a single bifurcation. A social insect like ants use their pheromone to communicate travel path among them. The initial trails of pheromone as they return to the nest with food are shown. There are two ants choosing different paths from their nest, source, to the food, destination. If we keep check, there are two separate paths created by these ants through depositing pheromones as shown in figure. When one ant reaches the food source, using the same pheromone trails, it returns to the nest. The second ant also traveled back to the nest after visiting the food source. The first ant guides the other ants to the food source through the path it traveled. The second ant reaches the nest after a long travel compared to the first ant as shown in figure. The pheromone evaporation rate is high in the second path because of its length. Finally, all ants choose the first path based on the high pheromone deposit. Figure shows the final shortest paths chosen by the ants. Here ants are agents who works coordination by indirect interaction is more appealing than direct communication. Ant society has division of labor in communication with individuals. The communication is achieved by stigmergy of the ants. Stigmergy is a mechanism of indirect coordination, through the environment, between agents or actions. Stigmergy can be operational by coordination through indirect interaction, which is more appealing than direct communication, which reduces or eliminates communication between the agents. Stigmergy is used to get the problem solved bit by bit. The individuals communicate with each other, affecting what each of them does on the task. Swarm intelligence information allows us to address modeling through problem solving, algorithms, and real-world applications. Modeling is observing phenomenon, create a biologically motivated model and explore model without constraints. Modeling creates a simplified picture of reality. Observable relevant quantities become variables of the model and other variables build connections. A good model has parsimony, coherence, refutability, and parameter values correspond to values of their natural counterparts. It is well known that the primary means for ants to form and maintain the line is a pheromone trail. Ants deposit a certain amount of pheromone while walking, and each ant probabilistically prefers to follow some direction rich in pheromone. This elementary behavior of real ants can be used to explain how they can find the shortest path that reconnects a broken line after the sudden appearance of an unexpected obstacle has interrupted the initial path. An obstacle appears on the path. Those ants which are just in front of the obstacle cannot continue to follow the pheromone trail and therefore they have to choose between turning right or left. In this situation we can expect half the ants to choose to turn right and the other half to turn left. Those ants which choose, by chance, the shorter path around the obstacle will more rapidly reconstitute the interrupted pheromone trail compared to those which choose the longer path. Thus, the shorter path will receive a greater amount of pheromone per time unit and in turn a larger number of ants will choose the shorter path. Shortest path is being obtained. Ants are able, without using any spatial information, to identify a sudden appearance of a food source around their nest, and to find the shortest available path to it. A small amount of ants travels randomly around the nest. One of the ants finds food source. When ant finds food, it returns to the nest while laying down pheromones trail. When other ants find a pheromone trail, they are likely not to keep traveling at random, but to instead follow the trail. If an ant eventually finds food by following a pheromone trail, it returning to the nest while reinforcing the trail with more pheromones. Due to their stochastic behavior, some ants are not following the pheromone trails, and thus uncover more possible paths. Over time, however, the pheromone trails start to evaporate, thus reducing its attractive strength. Shortest path is being obtained. An intuitive proof of correctness. Pheromone evaporation also has the advantage of avoiding the convergence to a locally optimal solution. If there were no evaporation at all paths chosen by the first ants would tend to be excessively attractive to the following ones. The first of its kind proposed by Marco Dorigo in 1991 is called as ant system, which is based on swarming behavior of natural ants. Ant colony optimization algorithms are based on meta-heuristic derived from ants' feedback systems, pheromones. The traveling salesman problem implemented by ACO can be visualized through a graph. This is the procedure proposed by Dorigo. Ant system is useful for solving NP-hard combinatorial problems. Set partition problem is deciding whether a given multiset of positive integers can be partitioned into two subsets A and B, such that the sum of the numbers in A equals the sum of the numbers in B. Job shop problem is given a number of jobs have to be done and every job consists of using a number of machines for a certain amount of time. Find the best planning to do all the jobs on all the different machines in the shortest period of time. Multiple knapsack problem states that given a set of items, each with a weight and a value, determine the number of each item to include in a collection so that the total weight is less than or equal to a given limit and the total value is as large as possible. Protein folding is the process by which a protein structure assumes its functional shape or conformation. In data mining, the computational process of discovering patterns in large data sets. Also our traveling salesman problem, as we have mentioned earlier. This is the produce of traveling salesman problem. For example, a complex path diagram is given in figure. Now we can see the traveling salesman problem through a simple example for 4 cities as shown in figure. Initially, random levels of pheromone are scattered on the edges. The pheromone is in red color as shown in figure. An ant is placed at a random node. The ant decides where to go from that node, based on probabilities calculated from either pheromone strengths or next hop distances. Suppose this one chooses BC. The ant is now at C, and has a tour memory is created. The ant is now at D, and has an updated tour memory. So, he has nearly finished his tour, having gone over the links. Now, pheromone on the tour is increased, in line with the fitness of that tour. Next, pheromone everywhere is decreased a little, to model decay of trail strength over time. We start again, with another ant in a random position. Where will he go? Ant colony algorithm for traveling salesman problem can be viewed as a simplified version with all essential details. Ant colony algorithm for traveling salesman problem can be viewed as a simplified version with all essential details. Next step. The graph is constructed, N be the cities and E be the road between these cities. A structured flowchart for the traveling salesman problem is given. The credentials of the traveling salesman problem are given. We have once again discussing the problem in ant system. In the first step, pheromone initialization. Next step is tour construction. As a global rule, we select a city randomly for ant tour starting. The ant randomly selects the next city using the rule to chooses each next city, biased partly by heuristic information, but biased partly by the pheromone levels existing at each path. Next step is comprehension. When all ants have completed their tours, global pheromone is updated by replacing the current pheromone strength in the edge. Also, current pheromone levels on all links are reduced over time. The pheromone strength is dependent on tour done by the ant. This procedure of pheromone update is done at each iteration until the termination criteria is met. Elitist ant system is evolved from the normal ant system. Rules for transition probability is given as. This is global pheromone update rules. Simple traveling salesman problem example is given here. There are 5 ant placing on the problem, hence expecting 5 solutions. In the first iteration, random choosing a city. How to choose next city? This is the second iteration. This is the third iteration. This is the fourth iteration. This is the fifth iteration. This is the final solution by 5 ants. In summary, traveling salesman problem is a NP hard problem, that is why we have to explain here in different ways. We required a comparison. Algorithms for deterministic solution by brute force, dynamic programming and greedy method. The ant colony system is one of the ASIO algorithms, which gives a non-deterministic approximate solution. We can demonstrate traveling salesman problem through 3 ants for 5 cities. For an undirected complete weighted graphs, first initialize by place each ant in a randomly chosen city. In the first step, each ant performs a Hamiltonian cycle according to the navigation function, while applying the local update rule for each visited edge. In the second step, apply the global update rule. This will continue and 3 solutions obtained. Select the best solution. Ant colony optimization algorithms have been applied to many combinatorial optimization problems, ranging from quadratic assignment to protein folding or routing vehicles, and a lot of derived methods have been adapted to dynamic problems in real variables, stochastic problems, multi-targets and parallel implementations. It has also been used to produce near-optimal solutions to the traveling salesman problem. Ant robotics is a special case of swarm robotics. Swarm robots are simple, and hopefully, therefore cheap, robots with limited sensing and computational capabilities. This makes it feasible to deploy teams of swarm robots and take advantage of the resulting fault tolerance and parallelism. One of the major applications of ant system in communication networks. The usage of ant system in communication network is highly used because of identification of shortest route, congestion reduction, self-adaptability and flexibility. Antifying website searching is another application. In future, ant systems are applicable. Artificial bee colony or ABC optimization are well-received techniques in the field of swarm intelligence. Honeybee or bee is a flying insect constructing large colonies. Bees are closely related to swarms like ants. Bees are adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen. The cooperating behaviors of the bees are leads to create larger nests. Each bee in the nest have separate jobs or based on the jobs they are grouped together. Honeybees are social creatures that live in colonies with a queen bee, worker bees and male drones. They forage for food in groups and are also responsible for plant pollination. Honeybees regulate their foraging activity based on colonial demands and environmental conditions. In a bee colony there are employed bees and unemployed bees, scouts and onlookers. The employed bees are associated with a particular food source who carry and share information to other bees. Role of unemployed bees is looking for a food source to exploit. A hive of honeybees can extend itself over long distances in multiple directions. Figure shows a hive and the range of the bees they can travel, say 10 kilometers. Here, A, B and C are food sources with different quality and quantity. Scout bees search for food randomly from one flower patch to another. The bees who evaluated the different patches like A, B or C and returns to the hive and perform a communication through waggle dance. Quality threshold taken by the bee is measured as a combination of some elements, such as sugar content. They deposit their nectar or pollen, go to the dance floor to perform a waggle dance. The dance floor is nothing but the entrance of hive for the bees. Communication of the bees contains direction of flower patches, distance from the hive and quality rating or fitness. Otherwise we can say the waggle dance depends on angle between the sun and the patch, duration of the dance and frequency of the dance. These information helps the hive to send its bees precisely to the exact food source. Follower bees go after the dancer bee to the patch to gather food efficiently and quickly. Same patch will be advertised in the waggle dance again till it is good enough as a food source and more bees will be recruited to that source. This is depending on the food level. So, more bees visit flower patches for plentiful amounts of nectar or pollen. Based on the fitness of bees, patches can be visited by more bees or may be abandoned. The process is given in figure. Here, S represents scout bees, R represents onlooker bees, UF represents uncommitted follower, EF1 represents a shared information and EF2 represents the for continuation of work of the bee. ABC algorithm was developed based on inspecting the behaviors of real bees on finding nectar and sharing the information of food sources to the bees in the hive. This algorithm is used to solve multidimensional and multimodal optimization problems. Contains three groups of bees like 50% the employed bees, 40 to 50% the onlooker bees and 5 to 10% scout bees. Certain assumptions are made in the artificial bee colony algorithm. These assumptions are required to design artificial bee colony optimization algorithms. Basic steps of bee colony algorithm are given. Movement of bees are important in optimization. Probability of selecting a nectar source by a scout bee is given. In order to calculate new position of onlookers, we can use this formula. The movement of the scout bees is then adjusted by this formula. Step-by-step process of ABC optimization algorithm is given in figure. Here, searching of neighbors are marked. This algorithm is derived from the basic ABC algorithm. Iterative movements of onlookers are gives solution to the problem needs to be solved. A simulation of bees is shown here. 3 different types of bees are shown. Their movement is illustrated through animations. The best part is obtained from recorded the best solution found so far. This example explains the use of bee algorithm to get the best value representing a mathematical function by function approximation. Figure gives the simple mathematical function fx. In the first step, initiate the population with any 10 scout bees with random search and evaluate the fitness. That is, n equals 10. Fitness evaluation of the population is done through an array of 10 values and constructed and ordered in ascending way from the highest value of y to the lowest value of y depending on the previous mathematical function. In the next step, the best m site is chosen randomly from n. That is, m equals 5, e equals 2 and me equals 3. Next, select a neighborhood search site upon ngh size and it is a random value. Evaluate the fitness of the sites by recruiting more bees and send the bees to E sites, or can say rich sites, and M, E sites, or we can say poor sites. Here we can take N2 equals 4, rich, and N1 equals 2, poor. Figure gives the idea of selecting the sites and sending the bee to that site. In the next step, select the best bee from each location or higher fitness to form the new bee population by choosing the best bee from every M site. Initializes a new population by taking the old values, say 5, and assigning random values, say 5, to the remaining values in M. In the next step, select the best bee from each location with higher fitness to form the new bees population. The new population is initialized into taking the old values and assigning random values to the remaining values in M. The loop counter will be reduced and the steps from 2 to 7 will be repeated until reaching the stopping condition. In this example, a maximum iteration can be set as Imax. At the end, a best solution is reached. This best value, best bees from M, will represent the optimum answer to the mathematical function. This will be the global best point. Difference in selection process includes global and local probabilistic selection. The onlookers or scouts are selecting by greedy approach. Random selection process carried out by scouts. Artificial bee colony algorithms are suitable for multidimensional and multi-numeric problems. In the real-world applications, the artificial bee colony algorithms are used in magnetic resonance brain image classifications, phase pose estimation, and transportation problem solving. Multi-objective optimization is a momentous research area which deals with optimizing multiple objectives simultaneously to reach an optimal solution. In a multi-dimensional beehive, there are multiple colonies. Each colony is act as independently and give separate collective solutions. Honeybees of a specific colony behaves in dynamic and distributed manner while gathering various resources at respective colonies. A computational model depicting the multidimensional swarm behavior in bee colonies is developed as a multi-objective optimization problem for optimizing cost and time. Birds flocking is a social collective motion behavior of a large number of interacting birds with a common group objective. Every optimization technique focuses on finding the best solution from a set of feasible solutions. This technique was inspired by the animal social behaviors such as flock of birds, school of fish, etc., and mimics the way they find their food source. PSO is initialized with a group of random particles or solutions and then searches for optimum by updating generations. Behavior of particle swarms are collection of flying particles or swarms giving changing solutions by its search area. Movement of particles towards a promising area to get the global optimum value. The particles working in a group shows 3 simple behaviors like separation, alignment, and cohesion. Each particle keeps track its best solution, personal best or P best, and the best value of any particle, global best or G best. Each particle adjusts its traveling speed dynamically corresponding to the flying experiences of itself and its colleagues. Each particle in a group is searching an optimum value by adjusting its velocity. Each particle remembers the position it was in where it had its best results so far. Each particle modifies its position according to its current position, its current velocity, the distance between its current position and P best, and the distance between its current position and G best. Particles are working as a group, hence they are cooperating. They exchange information about what they have discovered in the places they have visited. That is, a particle has neighborhood associated with it. They know the finesses of those in its neighborhood, and uses position of the one with best fitness. This position is simply used to adjust particles' velocity, movements of each particle in a cooperative environment. Particles' position represents a possible solution to the optimization problem. Goodness of the position is determined by a user-defined fitness function denoted by f. The fitness function varies depending on the optimization problem. During its flight, a particle updates its position and velocity based on its own experience and experience of its neighbors. In the initialization step, positions and velocities are setting up. In every iteration, each particle is updated using two best values. The first one is the best fitness it has achieved so far. The animation gives neighborhoods. Another best value is the best value obtained so far by any particle in the population. The animation gives neighborhoods. After finding the two best values, the particle updates its velocity and position. In the circular neighborhood, 3 particles in the circle. Particles adjust their positions according to a psychosocial compromise between what an individual is comfortable with and what society reckons. Create a population of particles, agents, uniformly distributed over space X. Evaluate each particle's position according to the objective function, and if a particle's current position is better than its previous best position, then updates the position. Determine the best particle based on particles' previous best positions. For example, a simulation of the particle swarm optimization is given. Next step, there is an inertia followed by personal and social influence. Converging, the inertia is making a particle that moves in the same direction and with the same velocity. The global ability of the PSO can be controlled by introducing the inertia weight. Simulation is given. This will contribute a balance between local and global search abilities. You can see the simulations. Now converging the points and entering to optimization point. Converging the points into optimized as. Finally, we will get an optimized points in the particle swarm optimization. The advantages and disadvantages are given. PSO. It is working on a derivative free with only few algorithm parameters. This is an efficient global search algorithm that can be used to solve many complex problems. PSO algorithm is a derivative-free algorithm. In real-world application, motif discovery, optimization problems and engineering mechanics. Genetic algorithm is a directed search algorithms based on the mechanics of biological evolution. The algorithm is inspired by genetic process of life to understand the adaptive processes of natural systems. Genetic algorithm is a search technique used in computing to find true or approximate solutions to optimization and search problems. Some of the key terms used in genetic algorithm are individual, population, search space, chromosome, trait, allele, locus, and genome. The genetic algorithm is a probabilistic search algorithm that iteratively transforms a set or a population of mathematical objects, each with an associated fitness value, into a new population of offspring objects using the Darwinian principle of natural selection and using operations that are patterned after naturally occurring genetic operations, such as crossover and mutation. Genetic operators use the principle of natural selection to find the best solution while using the principle of diversity to avoid convergence to a local minimum. Figure shows the evolutionary cycle of genetic algorithms. Selection operators are used to select which offspring survive to the next generation. It is selected from the population to be parents to crossover. Parents are selected according to their fitness. Better chromosomes are taking more chances to be selected they have. Imagine a roulette wheel where are placed all chromosomes in the population. Everyone has its place picked accordingly to its fitness function. When the fitness differs very much, roulette wheel selection may not work as efficiently as we mentioned. For example, if the best chromosome fitness is 90% of all the roulette wheel, then the other chromosomes will have few chances to select. In rank selection, the first ranks are based on population and then every chromosome receives fitness from this ranking. The worst will have fitness 1, second worst 2 etc. and the best will have fitness number of chromosomes in population. In genetic algorithm, crossover is also called recombination. It is a genetic operator used to combine the genetic information of two parents to generate new offspring. It is one way to stochastically generate new solutions from an existing population. For example, consider the parents 7 and 18 which in binary are 00111 and 10,010 respectively. Let the crossover point be position 3, thus the offspring would be 00010 and 10,111 or 2 and 23 respectively. Figure explains the single point crossover and the uniform crossover. Partially matched or mapped crossover is the most frequently used crossover operator. In partially matched crossover, two chromosomes are associated and two crossover sites are chosen arbitrarily. Cycle crossover is used for chromosomes with permutation encoding. During recombination in cyclic crossover, there is a limitation that each gene either comes from the one parent or the other. Mutation is defined as a small random tweak in the chromosome. To get a new solution, mutation operators are used to further preserve the diversity of a population to ensure non-convergence to an optimum. A simple type of mutation involves the addition of a number chosen from some Gaussian distribution, usually with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Various mutations are swap mutation, insert mutation, inversion mutation, displacement mutation, flip bit mutation, interchanging mutation, reversing mutation and creep mutation. In computer science, logic is very important, but in mathematics procedure and proof are important. A meta-heuristic or a high-level procedure is generated while design an optimization algorithm. The designers of nature-inspired algorithms were considered these for a problem design. Figure shows the timelines of these algorithms. A huge change in developments of algorithms was after 2005. Most of these algorithms are meta-heuristic driven. Present development in the nature-inspired algorithms are hyperheuristics based. Table shows different nature-inspired algorithms that built-in procedure-based or meta-heuristic-based algorithms used in different applications. These algorithms are spread over optimization solution building by searching over a large set of feasible solutions. The meta-heuristics can often find good solutions with less computational effort than optimization algorithms, iterative methods, or simple heuristics. The life cycle model of E. coli bacteria during their entire living, including chemotaxis, communication, elimination, reproduction, and migration, is the inspiration behind development of bacterial colony optimization or BCO algorithm. The key idea of the algorithm is mimicking chemotactic movement of virtual bacteria in the problem search space. The bacteria foraging is based on the assumption that obtain nutrients in a way that maximizes their energy intake is E per unit time T. The steps are given. Cuckoo birds are very famous for their aggressive reproduction strategy. Some birds lay their eggs in other birds' nests and even remove their eggs to increase the hatching probability of own eggs. Some host birds even enter into direct conflict with the intruder. If a host bird discovers the eggs are not its own, they throw away these foreign eggs or just abandons their nest. Each cuckoo lays an egg and pushes it to a randomly selected nest. The basic cuckoo search algorithm targets single objective optimization. Figure shows cuckoo and how they lay eggs in the nest. Here we can see three groups with different number of nests. The algorithm can be drawn out to more complicated cases in which each nest has multiple eggs representing a set of solutions. Simple cuckoo search procedure is 1. Each cuckoo lays one egg at a time and dumps it in a randomly chosen nest. 2. The best nests with high quality of eggs will carry over to the next generations. 3. The number of available host nests is fixed, and a host can discover an alien egg with a probability. Here, the host bird can either throw the egg away or abandon the nest so as to build a completely new nest in a new location. The primary purpose for a firefly's ash is to act as a signal system to attract other fireflies. Firefly algorithm is proposed based on the behavior of fireflies on flashing patterns. The firefly and the artificial fireflies are shown in figure. Fireflies use 3 rules for their communication. They are unisex. The attractiveness of a firefly is proportional to distance and brightness. The brightness is determined by the landscape of objective function. The assumptions are: 1. Any firefly will be attracted to all others because all fireflies are unisexual in nature. 2. The brightness is metaphor of each firefly which is proportional to the attractiveness. That is, the intensity of brightness decreases as their mutual distance increases. The lesser brighter ones are attracted to brighter ones. 3. The fireflies move randomly, if there are no brighter ones in the group selected. Glowworm Swarm Optimization or GSO algorithm shares a few features with some better-known swarm intelligence-based optimization algorithms, such as ant colony optimization and particle swarm optimization, but with several significant differences. Agent IA is in the sensor range of, and is equidistant to, both J and K. But, they have different decision domains. Hence, only J uses the information of I. Emergence of a directed graph based on the relative luciferin level of each agent and availability of only local information. Agents are ranked according to the increasing order of their luciferin values. For instance, the agent A whose luciferin value is highest is ranked 1. Canines are considered as one of the earliest animals to be trained by man for the use of human being. They are used as valuable aids in hunting for human. Their superior sense of smell enabled man in tracing the location of target easily. Even today, canine is employed by crime detection forces to trace the trail of criminals from the scene of crime. Nature has endowed organisms with various sensory mechanisms for their survival. Most of the animals have olfactory mechanisms for detecting chemical presence in air, along with other sensory organs. Olfactory membrane is usually concentrated in a dedicated organ commonly called the nose or snout. Dogs, especially species like the bloodhound, have exceptional concentrations of olfactory cells, providing them a much superior capability in detecting and using smells. For example, man only has a primitive olfactory sense that helps him to detect any new smell originating in his environment. He cannot distinguish the different smells generated by organisms unlike a canine, which can detect and memorize the smell signatures of all beings. Smell Detection Agent or SDA algorithm is a novel nature-inspired optimization algorithm which employs the trained behavior of canine dogs in detecting smell trails and is adapted to computational methods for problem solving. The algorithm creates a surface with smell trails and iterates the agents in resolving a path. There are 2 parameters associated with ISDA. One is their assigned signature value that can be used to mark smell spots. Other is the radius value that indicates their olfactory capability. Data structure of the SDA are given. Smell Detection Agent algorithm is derived from the natural behavior of canine. SDA gives solutions to shortest path identification, multi-objective optimization, computer networking, SDN controllers and subgraph networks. BAT algorithm is a relatively new meta-heuristic developed for solving engineering optimization tasks. The method is inspired from echolocation behavior of bats. Bats uses echolocation to sense and measure the food and background. They randomly vie with a velocity and specific frequency by adjusting the wavelength and loudness for searching food. The microbat and simulated bat environment are given in figure. Plants react to sunlight and grow towards it due to the hormone, auxin. It is an extremely important biomolecule, critical in photosynthesis, which allows plants for synthesizing energy from light. Similar to the influence factor chlorophyll, A propagation node is designed which transmits the details regarding congestion in the path, which helps in rerouting. Like the plant grows towards sunlight, the rooting happens in the direction of propagation node. The mechanism of phototropism is controlled by the hormone called auxin. This hormone is produced in copious quantities in the base regions of plant. Stem tip of the plant is composed of meristematic tissues and is the most rapidly growing part of the plant. Figure shows the distribution of auxin in the tip that is inversely proportional to amount of incident light. Light is allowed to be incident on the plant only through one opening as shown in figure. The resultant observation demonstrates the growth of plant stem towards the opening. There are 3 plant tips marked as A, B, and C. The plant C is growing more closely towards sunlight. A sample enclosure designed according to the problem. The stem chooses a smaller opening with higher light intensity. Instead of starting with the seed, we can start with a small plant as well for efficiency. Consider the optimization problem and the objective function is shown in figure. Adaptive optimization inspired from termite colony uses the principle of stigmergy to control the traffic rate for maintaining high output while routing messages in wireless ad hoc networks. Stigmergy is a process by which information exchange takes place between individual agents. The social spider optimization algorithm assumes the search space as a communal spider web. A candidate solution in the population represents a spider and they receive a weight according to fitness value of the solution that it means. It is a population-based meta-heuristics algorithm covers pitch of each musical instrument determine aesthetics quality, just as fitness function. The pitches are stored in the memory by each player and possibility to make good harmony. In the cultural algorithm framework, population and brief space are simulated as the evolutionary process. It is separately considered as microscopic and macroscopic levels as shown in figure. This is a meta-heuristic algorithm that is derived from observation of African buffaloes, a species of wild cows, in the African forests and savanna. This animal shows uncommon intelligence, strategic organizational skills, and exceptional navigational cleverness in its traversal of the African landscape in search for food. This algorithm is from a source to destination. The rivers are self-identified an optimum path or near optimal paths. Intelligent water drops are created with 2 main properties, namely velocity and soil. Artificial immune systems are adaptive systems, inspired by theoretical immunology and observed immune functions, principles and models, which are applied to problem solving. General framework of artificial immune system is given in figure. The representation describes general shape of a molecule and its interaction, binding and complement threshold. The affinity measures related to distance which can be measured by Euclidean, Hamming or Manhattan distance measures. The algorithm inspired by the characteristics of flower pollination process. The idea derived. Some rules as shown here. The flower pollination algorithm has a global and local operators based on the above rules. You may please check the case studies discussed in this book. Many case studies are included in this chapter. Please check the exercises for your self-improvement.